This is the Top Tech Kit channel. In this channel, we discuss technology, applications, office, and all kinds of applications that we use in real life. Today, I'm going to look at filtering emails in Gmail. So, assuming I receive particular emails and I don't want them to be mixed up in my primary email here, I can use a label to properly filter them out. You can create a label here, click on this, and assuming the mails, I want to filter out important mails dealing with payments. So I write the word payments. I create, and then up here you should see my label has been created. If I click there, there's no email with regards to payment that has come through. So now, assuming that I want, if emails are sent and they have a subject payments in them, I want them to be transferred to this folder or label. So how do I achieve that? I'll have to go to settings, all settings, filters and locked addresses. You go there. And okay. So when you go here, we need to create a filter. And that filter is going to be based on the subject with the word payments. In other words, all mails that come to my inbox with the word payments are going to be filtered out and directed to a folder called payment. So under subject, I want, if it has in the subject payments, then it will be filtered out. You can use other words. If it has other words in the email, you can specify them here and uses this as a basis for filtering out the mails. Or you can filter out mails based from the person they're coming from and the rest. So for my case, I'm going to use the subject. As long as the subject has payment, the word payment in it, I want it filtered. So I say create filter. Now, when I come here, there's a long list here, but I'm going to first show you the one I'm interested in will be apply the label. Now I want to apply label to the payment. If there's no label that you have in here, you can create it here using this new label. But in my case, I had already created one. So I'll say filter and direct them to payment. After that, I'll say create the filter. So when I do that, I'm already done with my setup. So assuming an email comes through and it has the word payments, blah, blah, blah. I'm sending it to myself, send the email. Now you can see there's already the one appears here on the label payment. So it has been directed to this folder here. So if I click there, you can see my email that I sent with this heading, but it has the word payment in it. And because of that, it has been directed to payment. Now, the advantage of this is you can easily trace your important mails and you can know where they are stored and easily access them. Now, if you look at it also, it has gone to the inbox. So it has gone in my inbox as well as my payment. Now, assuming I don't want it to go to the inbox and I want it to only go to the payment, I need to go back to settings, see all settings, filter. Now, because I've already created my label, I don't need to create it again, but I just need to edit, move to the right here, click on edit, then go back, say continue. The first item here is skip the inbox. When a message is sent, I need to click this to tell Gmail that skip the inbox, but direct it to this label called payment. So with that change, I say update my filter. Now, if I go back here, I send a mail to myself. But remember, in my subject, it needs to have the word payment. And I say send. This time, if I go to my inbox, it will not appear there, but you can see a one here under payment, meaning that there's a new email that has come through. So if I click there on payment, you can see I can access that email. So in the second example, it has not gone to the inbox, skipped it, and went to payment. Again, the advantage of this is you can easily trace your emails because there are a variety of ways it can be sorted with. You can create a folder for a particular person, maybe your boss. You want to pay attention to those emails, then they'll be directed to a particular folder. I hope this has been helpful. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and have a great day.